Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakwan Zaini bin Zaidi, and my title for final year project is Review on Diversity and Occurrence of Family Platycephalidae. For the introduction, South China Sea lies in the Western Pacific Ocean tropical region. At least 3,365 species of South China Sea's marine fish. Malaysia province is situated on the Malay Peninsula eastern coast facing the South China Sea. 31,362 valid species of fishes in the world reported from Malaysia water and adjacent sea. 1,400 species of marine fishes. Platycephalidae family are known as flathead fish, and their local name is baji-baji. Is generally distributed in the Indian and Pacific Ocean in tropical and temperate coastal or estuarine water. This family comprises 17 genera and 70 valid species. They are often found rest at sea bottom, and their body is partially covered with sand or mud. Used for medicinal use, and it has a high protein flesh. This family is from kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygi, and orders Copeniform. Problem statement is: first is species in this family are hard to identify, and misidentification of species Platycephalidae always happen. Next is lack of information and article about the occurrence species from family Platycephalidae in Malaysia, and there also have some misspelling in the scientific name of species from this family. For the significance of study, first, list the correct scientific name along with the correct spelling based on the species. Identify the occurrence and valid species in Malaysia. Contribute in analyze Platycephalidae diversity and classify occurrence of species recorded according to region in Malaysia. Provide key to species for species identification of Platycephalidae. Next is objective of this study. First, to study the diversity of genus Platycephalidae present in Malaysia. Second is to study the occurrence of genus Platycephalidae according to the region in Malaysia. To determine the valid scientific name and their correct spelling. Next is material and method. Area of study: the study of occurrence of species from family Platycephalidae is cover all the occurrence species in Malaysia water bodies. Second is article searching and information sorting. Find the article that provide the information about the species from family Platycephalidae. Sorting the information based on data in Excel. Then and list the species recorded in the article or journal. Next, we check the validity of the scientific name. The validity of scientific name was checked by using Eschermeyer catalog and fish base. The species also checked based on habitat and taxonomy to make sure there are no misidentification on the species. So for the result, 19 species are recorded in Malaysia, and the valid species the valid scientific name is like I showed in the slide. So for the discussion, the occurrence recorded in the occurrence recorded is 90 species in Peninsular Malaysia, 4 species in Malaysia in Sarawak, and 1 species in Sabah. The species from this family is doesn't threatened, and based on IUCN Red List, species from family Platycephalidae is less concern status, LC. There is wrong spelling on scientific name of species, Elates rationality. In some book, the book is Fishes of Malaysia, Marine Fishes and Fisheries of Malaysia and neighboring country, Marine Fishes and Fisheries of Sabah, Field Guide to Marine and Estuarine Fishes of Sarawak. Okay, for the conclusion, status of the diversity and occurrence will help in conservation learning and avoid the extinction of the species. In Malaysia, the species more often called by their local name. The situation will cause many confusion on scientific name of the species. Key to species is very important to make sure the species identified is precise and avoid from the misidentification. The spelling of the scientific name is very important since misspelling will go to wrong species. We need more study on this family so the species from this family can be recorded based on the value of the species from family and increase their commercial value. So this is a Gantt chart reference for my study. That's all from me. Thank you very much.